Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore from seed in the Cake Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to install the Cake Wallet, simply open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and search for Cake Wallet. Once you find the application, tap on the install button, and once the process is completed and you see the open button, tap on it to open it up. You can then just agree with the terms of use and tap on the accept button, and now you have two different options. You can either create a new wallet or restore from your existing one. Tap on the second option and now you can restore your existing wallet. In order to restore from seed, tap on the first option which says restore from seed/keys. You can then set up your new PIN. Simply type in your desired PIN and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then tap on the OK button to set up your PIN. Now just select your wallet currency and then tap on Next. Now you will be allowed to enter your wallet name as well as your seed. Make sure you type in your wallet name as well as your seed and keys correctly, and then once you type both of these, you can tap on the Restore button and your account will successfully be restored from your seed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to restore from seed on the Cake Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.